Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, CLR Reviews. Today I will be making a... Please don't start a Mario. Ice puff. I'm going to make the crust. I'm going to be using my lemon Oreo cookies. Yes, y'all. This is a lemon cake. I'm also going to be using butter to like melt it. A stick, but it's going to be half a stick of each. So it's going to be half a stick of unsalted and half a stick of the salted. Now we use all salted, but not today. I had some sour cream. I have a cream cheese, but I also have a cream cheese that I kind of use. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of all this. I have some marshmallow fluff. Yeah, I'm gonna use some of that in there. I use my powdered sugar, lemons. Now I'm still trying to decide if I'm gonna add in my bourbon honey, y'all. I just don't want to overdo it. I put that inside of some lemonade I made, and yeah, it was so good. So yeah, I'm trying to see if I want to incorporate that or, you know, just don't want to overdo it. So you're gonna need a springform pan. Don't give me too long to take out what size it is, because I don't know. I have two different sizes. One small. This is the big one. So yeah, that's the one I'm going to be using. If you want to use a small one, you're going to have a smaller size pie, then, you know, so be it. So, yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'm going to get started. Okay, I'm going to take a cookie, take it apart. Okay, the part that don't too much have it on there, I'm going to put it on to the side. But the part that have the filling, I'm going to take that off. Because I'm going to also incorporate that inside of my filling. Smart, ain't it? If you don't get it all, it's good. Yeah, I'm going to do that with, I don't know. I might have to do it all, but I don't want to. I'll get back to you. Always will. Okay, I separated the cream, as you can see, and the cookies. Now, I did eat, okay, one. Okay, two. Okay, maybe three or four. But who's counting? So, yeah, I'm going to put my cookies inside of my food processor and, you know, go ahead and blend that into crumbs. Okay, all this is not going to fit in there. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my butter and go ahead and put it in here and then blitz it up and pour it out, and then I'm going to do the rest with the other. Not all, but just some butter. And put this on there and go ahead and blitz that up. I went ahead and blitz up the first one. I put it inside the pan. I also blitz up the second one. Now I'll pour this inside the pan. Okay, now I put it in there. I'm going to go ahead and pat it down. Now I actually like more crust. Like I like the crust to be like an even proportion of the filling, or either just a little bit more. I love crust. However, I don't think this is gonna happen with this pan. So you might need two cookies if you like crust like that as well. But I'm gonna make it work. It ain't nothing wrong. Like I said, ain't nothing wrong with it at all. Some people like a thinner crust. Now I really be trying not to act like a cave woman and use my hands. However, but that spatula wasn't doing nothing. So yeah, I had to use my hands to press it down, and as you see, it's formed together. So I'm gonna sit this in the refrigerator because I want it to harden. I'm gonna put something over it because I don't want no different smells in my thing. So yeah, I'll get back to you, Lord's will. Okay, I have one packet of the cream cheese. What I'm gonna do is actually use just both the cream cheese and just one of the sour cream, the one that's kind of like already open. The other one, I'm not gonna do that. You feel it? But if you want to do yours like that, you can. So now I'm going to take the little cookie filling that I took out and go ahead and add this in here as well. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and blend these two up first and then pour it out, and I'll do the other part. Okay, this is how it looks. Y'all had to put some down just now to make it just a little bit easier to come out. I'm going to go ahead and add my sour cream. Okay, see how creamy it is? So I'm just going to go ahead and close this up and then start on my lemons and the nut container. Okay, I put the other block of cream cheese in here, and I have my strainer, and I'm going to juice it, but I got 2 lemons, and I, you know, zested the best I could. Here's the zest right here. I'm going to use it to incorporate as well. I'm going to cut the lemon in half. Just go ahead and squeeze it, and it's going to catch the seeds and stuff. I'm trying to do the same with the rest of the lemons. Okay, I just squeezed 4 lemons. Okay, the reason why, because I already have like the lemon filling from the cookies, which is already, oh yeah, I tasted that batter, it was so good. So I don't want to overdo it with the lemon, so the lemon's already there. So that's the only reason why I put it, but if you're not like using the same crust, which you should, then you might want to put more. This is like what it called. So the juice, the cream cheese, and I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons of this marshmallow puff. Might want to do a little bit more. So another tablespoon. Alright, I'm putting some of my zest. Put the lid back on. Go ahead and blitz. I'll get back to you, Lord's will. Okay, this is how creamy it looks. I just think it's like more of the tartness from the lemon, which I don't mind because I'm gonna add it with the other batter. And then once I mix it, I'll know if I need to add any sugar or anything. That's just a teasy bit for this, but more of that tartness. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up. Alright, I'm gonna taste it. That's good. We got the tartness and the sweetness. Let's add a little bit. I don't really need it, but a little bit. Like 3/4 cup. I just want to mix that in there. So good. Something's telling me to stop right there. But then something else is telling me, girl, you ain't got that bourbon out for no reason. The honey. Go ahead and throw that in there. Please don't let me mess this up. Because they really don't need it, but I'm going to do it anyways. Tablespoon. Another tablespoon. Right, go ahead and mix that in there. Taste it one more time. Yeah, that bourbon bring it out just a little bit more. And like Vivica A. Fox, oh Frankie, it set it off. Okay, so now I took this out of the refrigerator, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put my filling in here. I tell you, it smells so good. Citrusy in here. So you want to let this set for some hours, preferably really overnight. So that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. Oh, it's well. I'm gonna put this paper back on it and just put it back in the refrigerator to harden. Hey y'all, this is the next day. So hopefully everything, set and everything. Okay, it's giving me that it's not set already. Okay. And I'm gonna use my whipped cream. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna cut into it because I know you're ready. I'm ready too. Oh, please don't embarrass me. Yeah, it's not set all the way. I'm gonna have to put this back in the freezer. They say I'm put it in the freezer, put it in the refrigerator, but I don't know. It's looking like I'm gonna have to put it in that freezer. Still gonna taste it right now. Because why not? Yeah, this is set. Alright, let me chop this thing back on here and let it set. Okay, this is another day later. I had it in the freezer. I'm gonna put some whipped cream on it again. It still got some of that yellow stuff, and even if it didn't, I was gonna put it back on there. Now I think it's too hard now. It's too hard to cut with that knife right there. Okay, it's cutting a little bit with this. Just gotta put all this pressure on here. I already said don't start now. You feel me? That I was joking. I'm listening to you no more. Even though I used to be getting it back in the days, cutting the rug back in my. I don't want to get the whole block. Let me put on my scrubs and my gown because I gotta perform some surgery. Yeah, when I say it's so frozen out, it ain't cut like how I want it to be. Y'all gonna get just try this mango part that I cut. Hey y'all. Yes, y'all. Now I might not even need a fork with kind of how hard this is. I got this also like an extra crust that came apart from another part, so I was like, I like extra crust, so I'm gonna get this. Okay, that's the whipped cream. Okay, it's kind of a little bit. Let me go in again, y'all. Delicioso. It's sweet, but not too sweet. It's tart. You can taste the lemon. It's there hands down. You can taste the crust, how it got that salt, but it's not overly salted, so it balances it off nice. This is good. Now, do I taste the marshmallow per se? Not really. I can't really, like, if I didn't know it was in there, I would be like, oh, there's marshmallow in there. However, I think I put marshmallow in some recipe that I did, and I couldn't really taste it either, but I think I saw it, because you know how they have fluffy, creamy, like, texture look, like, kind of glossy. I could see it in that recipe. Can I see it here? Not really. Could I have left it out? I don't think so, because I still feel like it's still like that taste is somewhere in here and then it brought it all together. I'm still keep this in there. I feel like it added to the fat here. I wish I didn't put that much powdered sugar because almost everything I use had sugar in it. The fluff, the filling from the cookies. This is good though. However, like I said, when I put it in the refrigerator that day, it did not set. So maybe if I would have kept it in the refrigerator a little longer, it probably would have. I don't know. Or like pushed it further back. Like I said, after this, I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator to see if it, like, you know. So yeah, to rate this, I would give this a 10. That's what this pot got me doing. This pot got me. About to break out the tip. Send all that, baby. If you like, share, subscribe to my channel, and please hit this recipe up. Y'all blessed day.